he's gone. Well, oh, he's got a heck of a beard. Oh, wow. Let him do his thing. Oh my God. So I was coming out of here and I was like, man, I know there's some gobblers down here, but it rained last night. So they were up in the damn field. Somehow I just missed them. I don't know how. Put that Fat Boy Ninja on them. I'm walking back and I'm like, man, there's a lot of fresh scratch right here. A lot. You know, one time can be lucky, but 2 times tagged out Kentucky. Oh, he's a big one too. He's leading the charge. He gobbled, I don't know, 30 yards, man. He let it rip. I could hear it, the gobble banging in his chest. He had 2 more with him. They're gone, but he's the big one. Oh, I think he's bigger than the other one. Well, the magical farm is off limits. I do not have a signal, so I gotta go with the truck. Tow him out. I nailed him now. His head wasn't moving. Oh yeah. Yeah, I broke his neck. Easy. Tell you what. I tell you what, man. 3.5 puts it on him. We are definitely getting a celebratory ice cream. You know, the funny thing is, and it's kind of funny because I was like, all right, God, tell me how to get out of here. And with the sun up, I was like, man, I really don't want to walk that field. And so I ended up walking this little creek. Edge of the field was probably 50 or 60 yards. And I was right down there. So that was every bit of a 40-yard shot. And it hammered him, man. It hammered him. Oh, he looks beautiful. He looks so beautiful. Are we done with all that? You're not gonna tear me up like the other one did. Oh yeah, I can feel his neck. Oh, he's a pretty bird. Man, they gobbled right behind me. I don't know if y'all saw that, but because I don't know really when I started recording this. Oh. Got me in the... Man, I was packing up leaving too. I gotta get to work. Oh. I messed up my back and I was like, well, I'll take a stroll in the morning, see if that fixes it. Sure enough. Oh, look at that pretty bird. Nope, that's not what I want. Yeah, I ain't got a signal. I just put that little red dot on him and so boom. That's 2 for Kentucky. Yeah, I can see where I blew his fur out right in front of his neck. Man, there's some big birds. I tell you what, these ones here, they're huge. No, maybe I hit them a little low. Maybe. I don't know. Either way, he's down. And I'll count it as a win. I got to verify my 0 when I went to Virginia. So, man, his spurs are nice. Man, those are over an inch. They gotta be. Alright, I need to find my shell. That damn pot calls laying on the thing. I told y'all. Oh. Windhaven. Crystal Vision with their walnut flare tip striker. I got another flare tip striker coming because I like them. But no, I was actually using a Purple Heart. That's all right. Flare tip was getting a little janky on me. Yeah, maybe I did pop them a little low. Oh well. I had a lot of brush into me, in front of me as well, but hey, I'll take it. They've torn up this hillside. It's a scratch city, but right here's a bunch of fresh stuff. So they must have just been here. I was calling and calling. I come over to the scratch. There's a big deer rub right here. And sure enough, but I think this is the one. This might be the one I missed last year. Because this is his neighborhood. I didn't realize there were 3 of them. But dude, they all gobbled right behind me. Scared the living shit out of me. So I dug down, got behind that tree, threw down, got my gear off my head, and they came down over there and came across, and he was leading the pack. And then I had my gun on my knee. I didn't realize they were so close, but man, they were on top of me. Because that hunt from the call to the shot maybe took 5 minutes. But I've been down in the bottom because I thought they'd be out in the field. Oh, he's a big one though. Solid black spurs. Yeah, they're big, man. Yeah, he's a big boy. Well, looks like I got me another turkey to clean. His neck's broke. So I don't know if I get a lot of penetration with the TSS, but I'll tell you what, it thumps them. But there was so much stuff between me and him that when I shot him, he went down. I couldn't see him. The other 2 took off. And then I kind of had to move a little bit to see him, and then that's when I bounced up and ran up. But he's down, he's going home, and we're tagged out in Kentucky. Y'all take it easy. I got about a quarter mile walk on the way home. Yeah, there's I mean, you can see the scratch. They don't drive this, that's scratch. Just lines and lines on this hillside.